Is it a good time to renovate a property in France right now?
I think it's always a good time to renovate a property in France. France has a lot to offer. French property has a lot of potential. There's always a load of potential and hidden gems to be found in the French countryside. You just have to make sure you're doing the homework so that the renovation dream doesn't become a renovation nightmare.
What are the most common mistakes you see people make when renovating a property?
The biggest one we always say to people is that you need to do your homework. It's jumping in and purchasing property without really understanding as much as you can about the property. Surprises cost money. And to try and limit the surprises when you're renovating is a super important thing to do.
What's one myth about renovating a property in France that you'd love to bust?
Can I do two?
Yeah, you can.
So the biggest one is that swimming pools, whether they be above ground, in ground, whatever, don't need permission. All swimming pools need permission, unless they're tiny, but all pools need permission.
Okay.
And also the local mayor decides your planning application.
Oh, I've heard this
These days, the local mayor does not decide your planning application. It's done by a group of planning officers in an office somewhere.
Okay.
You submit to the mayor and get your response back from the mayor, so it looks like they've done it.
Right, you can't just buy them a nice bottle of wine.
Fortunately, no.
Okay.
Good,
what advice would you give to people looking to renovate a property in 2026?
I would be clear on what your budget is, what what lifestyle you want to have in the property when you've done the renovation, and to try and balance those two things. Because quite often people either over aspire, so they try and do too much with a place, and their budget doesn't allow it, or they kind of undercut themselves because they have such a tight budget that actually if they'd done just something a little bit more, the house would have been absolutely fantastic. So it's just balancing how much you've got to spend against what that property is by the fine time you finished with it.